Welcome to a getting started video of Photo Resizer Pro. This is a product of showyourphotos.com. What you see here is Explorer, and if we select a few photos, right click Photo Resizer Pro, and the software will open. Let's do that. So you have a list on the left, and you will see some of these images are fairly big. This one is 6.3 megabyte, this one is 5.8, and so on. So the first thing we'll do is to select all. It's this little button on the left in the bottom, and then we select Photo Resizer. You will be presented with a settings form, and if I can quickly go through them, there's administration. It's regarding the image comments and the settings when you exit. You can also save the format to something specific or keep it like it is. You can keep the file date, and you can specify the destination folder. In this case we will say let's change the name to 2030, and on the right you can set the filter, the color, the percentage. Just for the sake of change, let's put it on 55% quality, 1000mm wide by 600 high. Then you can set the restriction. In this case we'll select width. It means that it will make the width 1000 and calculate height. If you set height, it will use that height and calculate the width. Width and height will fit it into this rectangle. You can also reduce by percentage, keep the width and height and only reduce file size. You can stretch the image beyond its aspect ratio, and you can decide to enlarge it if it is already smaller. I will not do that, so I tick this box. So without further ado, let's resize. Okay, you will now look at the photo that was 5 megabytes, 5.8, and it is now 92 kilobyte. Quick overview of the tools in the middle. Clicking on the full view will give you full view, and you will see that it's only 33%, and if you make it 100% you can scroll up and down with these scroll bars, and you have a lot of tools here. We'll get to that later. Also in the middle is buttons to scroll up and down, and crop selection. Crop selection by default is a rectangle. If you click there, we'll make it an ellipse. Let's select something. Now you can select crop. It's the third big button, and there you go. You can, if you want, select the background of this crop by finding something on the image. Save it if you want. So that's in a nutshell what you can do. Let's look at the resized images. You'll see that we can still see very clearly what it is, and it's just smaller. While we're here, let's look at some of these tools. Let's add a frame. I'm going to select this one. In fact, I like circles a lot. And let's save it. Save as. I want to bury it somewhere deep. Now if we want to do something on that particular photo instead of going and hunt for it, there's a button that will bring it to you. It's a button that says load the previously processed image. And you have it immediately. Now we can do something else to it. For example, let's write some text. Let's select here, make that yellow, keep this red and make it dashed. And I will write some text, say water, which is what you see there. Enlarge it like that, and I want to replace it with another image, which is that one, and there you go. Beautiful. So if you save that, also there somewhere, close it, and you can click and it comes back. You'll find a lot of other tools at your fingertips, and there's a lot of videos on the website to describe them, how to do each function, and I suggest that you look at them one by one. For now, you manage to get started. That's it. Bye.